Thursday, July 6th, 2023, and I am going to backtest my trade list. And so I have the list here to document what my rules are, and then I have it also in front of me in a paper form. And what I've done here, I've already cut the market off. I have no idea what's going to happen forward. I've got my levels in place, and I've got the direction of the trend. And so now I am going to just go through my list here to hopefully do this correct. So the first one is identify the MACD break and how long did the break occur. So I have the MACD that broke here. I'm going to use my analysis MACD. So right here is where the MACD broke. I'm going to put a vertical line in place. Okay. So it didn't break too long ago. Identify the trend direction, which I've noticed that the direction is down. And trap the direction of the trend on a 5-minute time frame. So I do have it trapped. And then identify the 20 and 50 moving average position. So right now the 20 and 50, they aren't crossing. Let's see here. There's some crossing back and forth that has occurred here. So however, right here, they are open, so let me potentially go up. And I'm looking for no crosses of the blue and the red in this downtrend. And so as I follow along here, I'm not seeing any crossings of the blue and red. Okay, so that's on the 7-minute time frame. All right. And then, let's see, identify the MACD, which this is my chart one, okay, looking at that. And then right here is my MACD, and I'm looking at the signal line here for both. Is there convergence or divergence? There looks like there's some divergence currently. Is it convergence or yeah, okay, because price is moving down while the MACD is going up. And identify the vortex sentiment. Right now it is bullish, although it's contracted. It's pretty narrow. And on the 5-minute time frame, when two candles begin to pull back, begin to trap. So let me go to my 5-minute time frame, and I already had the 2-candle pullback here that I missed. So I am going to let market play out until I begin to see the 2 candles beginning to pull back. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and start trapping this. Alright, and so from that point, so my pullback time frame rules are starting on the 1-minute time frame. So I'm going to drop down. Alright. View the 20 and 50 moving averages. Adjust the time frame as needed for no moving average, no crosses of the moving average. So thus far, that right there seems to be pretty good. And since I am going to do a second triangle or trap, I'm going to do this. And there aren't any crosses here. Five is going to be so low. Okay, so 10 is good. All right, and continue to trap the pullback and adjust the triangle defense as price continues making higher highs and lower lows until a candle violates the trend line in the direction of the trend. So I'm going to let this play out. and my trend line has been violated. Okay, identify what the moving averages are doing at the time of pullback to ensure the start, mid, or end of the pullback. It's either crossing up or down, adjust the time frames up or down as needed. So I'm going to go back to here. This is like my initial pullback time frame. So it looks like the pullback isn't over. It also, my rules say to identify the moving averages, or the 50 moving average, which is here in the green, of the 5-minute time frame position, to identify if price is above or below, or if this line is through price. And yep, it's through price. And then only take trades when price is above or below, never through. So price is right here, and observe the MACD for, or the MACD charting for divergence, break, convergence, then break in the direction of the price and the MACD analysis. So this one right here. So price is doing that, and for me, I want to wait because it doesn't appear that this is over yet. It hasn't, my MACD hasn't gone bearish again, so I'm going to let this play out. Okay, drop back down. I think it was the 10 seconds. Alright, and I got the CJ arrow. So okay, on the pullback time frame, verify the 20 and the 50 moving averages, and the 50 moving average is right here. Identify or verify where it is. Verify the MACD position right here. It's up, it's bullish. The MACD 4C, or the MACD for my analysis, is bearish, and the vortex sentiment is bullish. So far I've got some disagreements here, so I'm going to play this. Okay, so this is bearish, this is bearish, this is bearish, and I've got low volume. The moving average is flat. I've got the CJ arrow, prices below. Okay, so on my pullback time frame, one candle break of the time frame in the direction of the trend, which happened here. The MACD is in the direction of the trend. This is in the direction of the trend, as well as the vortex sentiment, and I've got the CJ arrow for here, so I'm going to go for a sell here.